Hey y'all, welcome back to Ormsby Farm. My name is Casey. So this week I decided to do some throwback videos. So these are old archived videos that I shot probably a year or 2 years ago that I thought I would go ahead and post now. So this one I'm really excited. This is about homemade dog food. So if that's something that interests you, stick around so you can see how to make homemade wet dog food.
I'm coming home.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. So I've been kind of keeping up this little trend of like prepping for 30 days kind of in bulk. And today I'm doing something for Destiny. So I'm making homemade dog food to bulk for 32 days. So basically, let's get started. So this right here is just 2 pounds of ground turkey that I kind of got brown, made sure it was good. It's a lot, so make sure it's browned all the way through before you freeze it. I got rice boiling in a bag. I know it's terrible. I just had it in my cupboard. But rice boiling in a bag, white rice, because dogs, it's really good for them to digest. I have 1 full sweet potato that I've softened and cooked. And then I have green bean puree right here that I just blended up in my little Hampton Beach blender. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to add 4 ingredients into your Cuisinart, blend it up. So we're about to get started kind of putting everything in the Cuisinart and to blend it all up and kind of puree it together. Kind of like you would see in like little Caesar dog food, kind of like the blended little compacted puree kind of stuff. And then I'm going to do 4 portions in 1 Ziploc bag. Lay it flat, get all the air out, make sure it's smooth and flat, Ziploc it, and then we'll put it in the freezer. So let's look at it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. I kind of tilted y'all down a little bit lower, so y'all could see what I'm putting in there. All the stuff is still pretty hot. I don't think it will mess up my Cuisinart, but it's a small one. It's a little. Basically, when I do like her ground turkey, other dog food, this is about a 4-day kind of portion. So that's what I'm going with. So here we go. So everything is done. I did have to go ahead and do 1 more can of green beans pureed, and I totally forgot eggs, so I scrambled eggs as well. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description box so you know, and of course the portions and everything. This is a great dog food. I've actually put 1 scoop on Destiny's food tonight so to see how she likes it. But we're going to go ahead and now do 4 scoops in each baggie, and then I'll be able to freeze those. So here we go. Hey Dad, are you getting homemade dog food tonight? You want to tell everybody what you think? Excuse me ma'am, we're on camera. No? You don't want to tell everybody what you think? But you're excited about dog food, right? You're excited to eat? Are you hungry? Yes? Bless you. Yeah, so that made 5 bags, which the bag usually lasts me about a week. So that's 5 weeks of wet dog food. Now she still gets dry dog food too, so don't go leaving crazy comments in the comment. She gets dry food as well. This is just kind of like a treat on top of it. But so now what I do is I'm gonna label it and put it in the freezer, and we're done. It's that easy. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video of learning how to make homemade dog food for the freezer. If you like my videos, give us a good thumbs up and make sure to like and subscribe our channel. Share it on social media to anybody you think will be interested in our channel. Check out our Etsy store. All different links are in the description box. Until next time, bye sis.
I'm coming